The weather alert was issued by the Weather Forecasting and Aeronautical Meteorology Division of the Meteorology and Hydrology Department. According to the latest forecast for the country's central and northern provinces on Tuesday, the 23rd February, trees, houses, and other buildings could be damaged by the winds. Strong winds are expected to affect the capital along with the provinces of Phongsaly, Huaphan, Luang Namtha, Xieng Khuang, Oudomxay, Bokeo, Luang Prabang, Vientiane, Xaysomboun, Borikhamxay and Khammuan. Temperatures are expected to drop again, accompanied by wind gusts and light rain in some localities, especially mountainous areas. In Phongsaly, temperature ranging from 12 to 16 Celsius, with light rain are expected on February 24th, 10 to 14 Celsius with light rain on February 25th and 26th, and 11 to 16 Celsius with fog on February 27th, and 12 to 18 Celsius with mist on February 28th. In Vientiane, temperatures are expected to range from 16 to 32 Celsius with light rain on February 24th, 15 to 31 Celsius with light rain on February 25th and 26th, and 16 to 32 Celsius with fog on February 27th and 28th. In Tha Khek District, Khammuan Province, temperatures ranging from 15 to 32 Celsius with strong winds on February 24th are anticipated, 14 to 32 Celsius with strong winds on February 25th and 26th, and 15 to 32 Celsius with strong winds on February 27th and 28th. The Meteorology and Hydrology Department is asking officials and residents in the target provinces to raise awareness in preparation for the weather changes, especially in relation to children and elderly people. The department is also urging the public to monitor the media for weather updates.